Just got the boat back from getting my transom done. Found a guy in Yuba City. He does his own fabrication work. He plug welded all these. The boat handles used to be here, but I figure with the deck, the outboard, the gas tank, I'm not really going to be picking this boat up by the handles. Yeah. So originally I was gonna think of doing it myself, the transom, but after some research and what it would take, you know, getting the spool gun and the 100% argon material just for this one project, I thought it didn't make sense to do that. So I outsourced, found Eddie in Yuba City, and it was well worth it. I will attach his profile in the link